Assistant Minister for Youth and Sports, permanent secretaries, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the launch of the Prime Minister's National Youth Awards. During the 2019 Prime Minister's International Business Awards, if you were there last month, you may have heard Prime Minister saying that we will be launching the National Youth Awards. And the reason why he said that was simply because each and every ministry were trying to give some form of awards to the youth if they happen to be doing some work for that ministry. So the idea is now to conglomerate the awards that were held across a number of different ministries into a grand national celebration for the youths of Fiji. It is going to be the biggest awards recognizing our young achievers, the Prime Minister's National Youth Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, being a young nation with 70% of the population below the age of 40 years, it is our youth who will be the leaders of tomorrow. It is the youth who will carry forward a modern Fiji. So it is our responsibility to ensure that they are able to live their dreams and be recognized for achieving what is also best for the nation. As where we stand today, what was once seemingly impossible is now within the reach for a generation of unmatched talent and limitless horizons. In the words of the late President of India and aerospace scientist, Dr. Abdul Kalam, and I quote, "Our young people must have the courage to think differently, the courage to invent, to travel the unexplored path, discover the impossible, conquer their problems, and through all this, the courage to succeed," unquote. Young people in the past have not been able to pursue their passion and dreams because there was lack of enablers, opportunities, and motivation. And I can reflect on myself when I was a young person. There was no opportunity for us. We were treated like, you are young, you need to take advice, you're not ready yet. You just have to wait for your turn. But things have changed now. And today the world is different. A 34-year-old Sanna Marin in Finland has become the youngest head of government in the world. We don't have to look too far. The Honorable Jacinda Ardern was the world's youngest female head of government, having taken office at the age of 37. So anything is possible. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government believes in the youth. And this is why we have put in place initiatives to encourage young people into business. One such initiative is the Young Entrepreneurship Scheme, or YES. In this regard, the Prime Minister's National Youth Awards provides the avenue through which young people between the age of 18 and 35 years will be rewarded. These are youth who have excelled in their respective fields of work and social service. So to all the youth out there, whether you are good at sports, community service, business, music and dance, fashion, agriculture, digital innovation, an inspirational leader or an eco-champion, you're a candidate for the awards. You are who we are looking for to consider giving these awards. Ladies and gentlemen, it is important to embrace the positivity, strength, and talent that exist amongst our youth. It is important to encourage them as they continue to develop their individual and collective skills. By effectively engaging youth in the economy, society, and the political sphere to stimulate growth and development, the Fijian government will ensure that education, employment, and leadership opportunities are provided to young people. In the coming years, the Fijian government will continue strengthening initiatives for training, empowerment, and awareness of our youth. These initiatives will be in the areas of entrepreneurship, leadership, climate change, and sustainable livelihood. And in fact, in most of these areas, some of the programs have been rolled out not just by the government but also by the private sector. We want all Fijians to have the advantage of living and thriving in a modern country. Therefore, initiatives such as the Prime Minister's National Youth Awards must be supported and strengthened. Commitment by all stakeholders is needed if the goal set for our youth is to be achieved. It is through the right support and encouragement our young people could become key drivers of development and growth for our economy. Ladies and gentlemen, coming back to today's event, the Prime Minister's National Youth Awards has a total of 10 award categories, and these are in achievements in sports, primary industries, entrepreneurship, community champion, music and dance, fashion, arts and creativity, eco-champion, inspirational leadership, digital innovator, and finally, the Youth of the Year. As alluded earlier, the awards will be presented to deserving young Fijians between the ages of 18 to 35 years who successfully meet the set criteria. So please do note the age. It's 18 to 35. The applications will be assessed by an independent panel of judges. Application forms are available online, youthawards.gov.fj. Applications are now open till 31st March 2020. You can either nominate yourself or anyone can nominate a young Fijian eligible for any of the 9 categories. I encourage youths who are engaged in these areas to submit online applications. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to encourage and acknowledge the youths who will be participating to please make sure that you do put in your application. Don't be shy. Don't wait for someone else to nominate you. If you feel that you are capable, you've done something good for the society, for yourself, and you feel that you should be recognized, do not hesitate to put in your application. You know, events like this is not possible if we don't get the support from the private sector. So I'd like to acknowledge the support of the private sector. Thank you for coming on board and backing this national initiative. We look forward to more collaboration in the near future. To all our youths, our message is our country has made a lot of progress in the last 10 years. We have been recognized around the world for our sports achievement, our warm hospitality, and our friendliness. Now it's time Fiji recognizes you as doers, dreamers, and agents of change. On behalf of the Honorable Prime Minister, I would like to wish our Fijian youths taking part in the National Youth Awards all the very best. I want to encourage once again all our youths to take part in these awards. With those remarks, ladies and gentlemen, I have the pleasure to officially launch the Prime Minister's National Youth Awards. Thank you. Vinaka Vakalevu. Dhanyavad.
Thank you so much, Honorable Minister, for the